Good morning everyone. Myself Mrs. Ritu Kishore Wazirani from ZP Zakaria English High School and welcome for our reading session. You must read. If you like a book, hold it forever and you will never feel lonely. Books are our best friend. Before starting the story, we should something learn about the teeth. Gum, canine, incisors, molars and premolars. These are the parts of the teeth. And we should always brush our teeth twice morning and also before going to bed. This is a good habit. The story name is The Tooth Fairies and the Cleaning Factory. Let us read about the story in briefly. A wonderful story that weaves its magic in the child's imaginations, even while imparting an invaluable lesson in oral health and hygiene. This is a story that the children will return to time and again for a fun bedtime read. Deep in the New Forest, where no big people even went, there was a tiny little magical village called the Arden Gardens. Here, three little tooth fairies named Incisors, Canine, and Molars were busy at work in their factory. The three tooth fairies were all named after types of teeth. Incisors was tall and skinny with short pink hair. Canine was also tall with blue hair and Molar was short, one with curly silver locks. All day long, the busy little fairies clean and shine the children's milk teeth they had collected during the night. And they are cleaning their teeth. We can see in this pic. The milk teeth were used to make very useful things in the Arden Gardens, like roads in the village and furniture in the homes for the little fairies. All the furniture is made from the tooth. One day, Incisor realized that the teeth coming into the cleaning factory were not as strong as they used to be. "Oh dear," said Incisor. "These teeth are fragile and brittle, with holes and block spots. They crumble as soon as I try to polish them with my cloth. Whatever are we to do? So these teeth are going to spoil. So what we should do for the following remedies? We should brush our teeth." "Yes," said Canine. "I know exactly what's wrong. The children are beginning to eat for many sweets and not looking after their teeth at all." "I know, we can fix it," said Mola, the wise one. She sounded quite excited by her grand idea. We should brush our teeth. The three fairies looked at each other and waited while Molar explained all. As usual, it was a fabulous idea. The three of them wasted no time at all and got to work straight away. That night, it was Canine's turn to fly off and collect all the milk teeth from under the sleeping children's pillow. Off she flew with a bag of coins, some white berry sandwiches for her lunch, and a pack of cards which the three fairies had spent all afternoon preparing. That you can see in this picture. It was such a treat to leave the forest and see the city skyline, but it was a dangerous place for fairies. Canine had to make sure that the big people never saw her. She flew through the starry sky and saw the wonderful city fast asleep. Her first stop was a young boy named Junior. Earlier in the night, Junior had his mum and placed his milk tooth under the pillow. Mummy tucked Junior into bed and told him all about the tooth fairy who would leave some money in exchange for his tooth. She gave him a good night kiss and left him to fall asleep. And the child went to sleep. By the time Canine arrived, Junior was fast asleep. She flew in through the top window that was ajar and glided quickly down to Junior's pillow. She perched beside him and braced herself in preparation. She lifted the pillow and wedged herself between the pillow and the bed. She quickly grabbed the tooth and tossed it over her backpack. In the morning, as soon as Junior woke up, he rummaged under the pillow to see if the tooth fairy had left any money for him. He was thrilled to find coins but looked blankly at the card of the found in his hand. Mummy didn't mention anything about a card. He was wondered by seeing the beautiful card. He read the card out loud. The tooth fairies guide the healthy teeth. First, eat healthy. Second, cut down on sweets and drinks. Brush your teeth twice a day. Use a fluoride toothpaste and visit the dentist regularly. These are the important points to remember. And how many children brush your teeth twice a daily? If it is possible, sometimes you can brush thrice also. Whenever you are eating lots of sweets, like occasionally you are eating, then you should brush your teeth thrice also in a day. Of Eden Gardens, the fairies were very happy about the new information card they were giving to the children. Soon enough, the milk teeth coming into the factory were strong and healthy again. Bye. Thanks for watching the video. Stay home, stay safe, take care of yourself.